Let's use identities in order to find the indicated value. So we're given that sine t is 2/7, cosine t is -3 square roots of 5 over 7. And we are asked to find tangent of t, and we're going to do this with no calculator. The identity that's going to help us do this is tangent t is equal to sine t over cosine t. So what we're going to do is they gave us sine and cosine t. So tangent t here, what we're trying to find, tangent t is equal to sine over cosine. So we're going to put in the 2/7, we're going to put in cosine, we're going to simplify that. Write that division side by side, which is going to look like this. Using your division rule, again, keep the first, change the symbol to multiplication, flip the second one. Simplify this multiplication here and you have your answer. Multiply the 7 up top and the 7 down bottom to give us 2 over a -3 square roots of 5. Multiply top and bottom by a square root of 5 over a square root of 5 to give us 2 square roots of 5 up top and a -3 times this 5 here. Otherwise, doing the multiplication in the denominator, we have 2 square roots of 5 up top over a 15. And actually a -15. I just realized that I left off the negative sign here. That is 2 square roots of 5 over the -15.